Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Asus Smart Gesture driver onto your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, you want to navigate it over to Google, and you want to search up Asus Smart Gesture and just hit enter for that. One of the best matches should be for an Asus domain here. You want to go ahead and select that. So again, Asus is in the website domain name. You're going to go ahead and click on that. And now you're going to scroll down near the bottom of the page where it says you can download the Smart Gesture from the links below. So if you're running a 32-bit version of Windows, you're going to select that one. Otherwise, you're going to select the 64-bit download. Most of you guys are going to be downloading the 64-bit version. However, since I'm on a 32-bit operating system, I'm going to do the 32-bit one. But again, most of you guys, if you don't know, you're probably going to be running the 64-bit one. Otherwise, you would be running a 32-bit one. Like I said, most people are going to be running a 64-bit Windows version if their computer is newer than, I would say, 10 years or so. If it's an older computer, I would say it's more 50-50, but generally speaking, most of you guys watching should be downloading the 64-bit one if you were not aware which version you're running. But there are ways to find out. I have videos on my channel about how to determine if you're running a 32 or 64-bit version of Windows on my channel. Feel free to search for that. So anyway, our compressed folder is done downloading here. We're just going to minimize out of here. Okay, so now that this is open here, you're going to go double click on the setup.exe file. It's going to say welcome to the Asus Smart Gesture Setup Wizard. Select next. We're going to install it for everyone and then select next again. Next one more time. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Okay, so then hopefully that should have been able to install it at that point, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.